Back to another video. I hope everyone is well. In this video I will show you, when try to backup, or erase, or someone coming for fix this issues, when switch on your iPhone, only show Apple logo, not run devices, how to fix this issues without update. If you don't have any idea about this, I will show you, how to fix this issues. One more request, if you are watching our video for the first time, then you must subscribe to our YouTube channel, all videos of this channel will come in handy. After subscribe must press bell icon for notification. Thank you. Now as you can see, after switch on only coming like that. In this case if you face same problem, how to fix this issues, don't worry I will show you. Now I need to switch Windows to macOS. After I will show you. If you need to install macOS on Windows, I give link in video description. Now wait, after open Mac system I will show you. After open Mac system, download 𝐶RAIN, and install. After install just run 𝐶RAIN. I already run, as you can see. After open 𝐶RAIN, when I connect, in 𝐶RAIN showing iPhone 7 support, but iOS 14.8 not support, then you need to connect with recovery mode, and jailbreak with 𝐶RAIN. After jailbreak, your problem will be solved. Let me show you. As you can see, my iPhone completely run. Now I will bypass with call support if I need. Remember, if your device is not supporting 𝐶RAIN, just update with iTunes, will solved your problem same like this. I hope like this video. If like this video, press the bell icon for more update. Thank you.